Good morning. Today we will be discuss IMO International Mathematics Olympiad Class 4 5th IMO 2011 IMO Olympiad Class 4 2011 paper Part 1. First question. One face divided by 8 equal to flower. Flower into 2 equal to 18. Find the value of this face plus flower. How we get? Here we know that flower into 2 equal to 18. So flower this equal to 18 divided by 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9. How many 2s are 18? 9 2s are 18. So flower equal to 9. So here 9. So face divided by 8 equal to 9. So face equal to 8 into 9. 8 into 9 equal to 72. So face equal to 72 and flower equal to 9. 72 plus 9 equal to 81. So B is the correct option. Next question. 4 buses P, Q, R and S arrived at a bus terminal at 4 different timings. The given chart shows the arrival times of buses P, Q, R and S respectively. Which bus was the first to arrive at the bus terminal? Here bus is P, Q, R, S. Arrival time 5:15, 10 minutes to 5, 4:45. 5:15 equal, that is the time 5:15. 5:15. Here this is 5 o'clock. This is 10 minutes to 5, that is 4:50. 4:45, that is 4:45. So which will arrive soon? First bus to arrive is 4:45 time, that is S. So D is the correct option. Next question. The number given below follow a pattern. 39, 55, 71, 87, 103 dash. That is 39 plus 16 equal to 55. Then 55 plus 16 equal to 71. 71 plus 16 equal to 87. 87 plus 16 equal to 103. So 103 plus 16 equal to 119. So B is the correct option. Next question. Fourth question. The given chart shows the number of markers on the desk of some students. Which 2 students have number of markers that could be shared equally among 3 students? So we have to look which number divides it equally 3 parts. That is which is a multiple of 3. Harsh and Mohit. Harsh and Mohit means 19 and 13. That is equal to 32. 32 is not divisible by 3. So it's not correct. Mohit and Tanuj. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. Sanjay and Mohit. Sanjay and Mohit. 12 plus 13, 25. So it's not divisible by 3. Sanjay and Tanuj. Sanjay and Tanuj. 12 plus 9, that is 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So D is the correct option. Next question, a number line is shown below. 280, 400, 520, dash 760. Here 400 plus 120 equal to 520. 280 plus 120 equal to 400. So 520 plus 120, that is 40, then 5 plus 1, 6. 640. 640 plus 120 equal to 760. So 640 is the correct option. Next question. Bitu is using 3 cards shown below to make a 3-digit number. Which list shows all the possible 3-digit numbers Bitu can make using each card if repetition of card is not allowed? So which is the option? 367, 376, 637, 673, 736, 763. Here 777, 2 are repeating. Here 3 repeating, 6 repeating. So it's not correct. This is the correct answer. Next question. Given map is showing the distance between Rahan's house, his school and shopping mall. Which of the following statement is correct? The distance between Rahan's house and his school is 1600 meter. This is 1 kilometer. 60 meter means 1060 meter, not 1600 meter. So it's not correct. Here the distance between Rehan's house and his school is greater than the distance between his school and the shopping mall. School and the shopping malls is the distance between Rehan's house and his school. Rehan's house and his school is greater, not greater. 1 kilometer 60 meter is less than 2 kilometer 55 meter. So it's not correct. The distance between the shopping mall and the Rehan's house is 3535. Shopping mall and the Rehan's house. Shopping mall is here, Rehan's house is here. So the distance is 3 kilometer 535 meter. That is 3535 meter. So it's correct. The distance between the shopping mall and Rehan's house is shorter than the distance between the school and the shopping mall. Shopping mall and house. Shopping mall and house means this 3 kilometer 535 meter is shorter than the distance between his school and shopping mall. His school and shopping mall is 2 kilometer 55 meter, which is lesser. This is lesser. So it's not correct. So C is the correct option. Next question. Next question. How many people in the picture are without spectacles? Here, which is the without spectacle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 without spectacles. Preeti is selecting a bead for a necklace. Her choices of shapes and colors of beads are shown here. Which tree diagram shows all the possible combination of one shape and one color? Here star, color gold, silver, purple, orange, white. Heart, colors gold, silver, purple, orange, white. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. In this star, gold, silver, purple, orange, white. But here heart. It's not possible. White is possible here. Here heart, gold, silver, purple. So this is not correct. This also not correct. And none of this is not correct. B is the correct option. Next question. Every class that visits Life Science Museum is divided into groups of 4 students for each tour guide. Which of the following classes would not be able to form groups of 4 students with none left over? So, if it is a multiple of 4, it can be divided into the groups of 4 students. So, a class of 36 students is divided into the groups of 4 students. That is 9 fours are 36. A class of 40 students, then 4 students each, 10 groups. Here 46 is not possible to convert into 4 students group. Here 52 is divided by 4, none left over. That is here 12, 3, 12. 13 groups are possible. So this is the group that not able to form groups of 4 students with none left over. Next question. It is now 11:30 a.m. Where will the hour hand be pointing 1 hour later? 11:30, after 11:30, 1 hour after 11:30, that is 12:30. So, where is the hour hand? Between 12 and 1. So, B is the correct option. Next question. Which pair of lines resembles a railway track? So, this is possible in a railway track. This also possible. So, both A and C is the correct option. So, this is the correct option. Both A and C. Next question. Each cylinder stands for 10 gram. Find the mass of 3 squares. So, this is stands for 10 gram. Here 3. So, here also 3 we delete it. So, this 1 10 gram. So, 3 30 gram. So, 3 squares means 30 gram. So, B is the correct option. Next question. Next question. The given list shows the number of cars of each color in a parking lot. There are 18 red cars, there are 16 blue cars, there are 6 white cars, there are 10 green cars. So, 18 red cars. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half. 4 and a half cars is 18 red cars. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue. 4 blue means 16 cars. So, 1 car means 4. So, 4 into 4 is 16. So, 1 car, 1 car represents 4 blue cars. Here 4 blue cars, here 4 blue cars, 4 blue cars. So, total 16 blue cars. Here red car, 4 cars means 1 car. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 16. Half car means 2. So, 18. So, 18 red cars. So, which key correctly completes the pictograph? Each cars means 4 cars is correct. Because green 10, that is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus half means 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Here 4 plus half means 2 cars. 4 plus 2, 6 cars. 6 white cars. So B is the correct option. Next question, Veena wanted to take the bus at 5:10 p.m. She arrived at the bus stop 25 minutes before 5:10 p.m. What time did Veena arrive at the bus stop? 5:10 p.m. Before 10 minutes means 5 o'clock. Before 25 minutes, that is 15 minutes more. That is before 15 minutes means 5 o'clock. Before 15 minutes, 4:45. So 4:45 p.m. is the correct answer. B is the correct option. Next question. Next question will be discussed in the next part of this class. And thank you for watching. Please come again for the another such videos. Please share it for other students also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.